What do you get out of a tank of gas? 400 kilometers?
Depends how much you beat on it, right? Like,
yeah.
We've gone...
I think I've gone 350 out of this tank.
350 kilometers?
Yeah.
70-liter tank kind of thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a pretty big tank.
Yeah.
I went with this from, well, we were at Yonge and 407.
Yeah.
Take 407, let's call it 407 Highway 12. Highway 12 up to Aurelia.
Yeah.
Aurelia
Oh, yeah.
to Bracebridge or so. And then back to Toronto on not even 3/4 of the tank.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's not
But I
bad.
wasn't beating the shit out of it.
Is that with the red key?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black keys, the only time I touched is when I bought the car, and
You might as well just freaking throw the black key away.
I put it in the underwear drawer.
Yeah, it's a safe place.
I know where it is.
Yeah.
Same as for that one, right? They're both side by side in the underwear drawer.
Mind if I hear these babies? Go ahead. That sounds gnarly. Nice. See ya, man. Where's the whining at?